In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. So first of all, find Clock app that's already on your tablet and launch it. Now, you need to choose Alarms section on the left over here. And then before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Now, you need to manage all of those under Alarms however you want to, for all of your alarms to be perfect. Those will only apply for new ones though, except some of those, like buttons sections. Either way, you can go back now and click on Add Alarm at the top left corner to create a new one. Pick an hour, hit OK, and adjust it by clicking on it and managing all of those options. Now, pick days of the week by tapping on those you are interested in, and if you ever want to exclude some, choose Pause Alarm and pick dates you want to exclude. Then choose OK. To remove them, just hit Cancel. Click on Alarm Name to name it. Tap on Sound if you want to download Spotify or YouTube Music and use music from it. Then click on the chosen one here and log in. Pick song from your tablet by tapping on Add New and selecting one of those. As you can see, I don't have it, but if you have any song, just click on it to apply it. And tap on all of those options here to check them out if you want to use device sounds. Go back. Click on this switcher next to Vibrate to switch it off or turn it on. And if you're using your Google Assistant routines, tap on plus icon next to it. This way you will add your alarm to it. Now, to save all of those changes, hit save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. To turn it on or off, use this switcher next to it. To make any changes, click on it. Change whatever you wanna. And hit save again. If you wanna delete it though, click on it, choose delete button at the bottom left corner, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!